Welcome to the English Pronunciation Clinic. This week, week 1, we will be investigating phonemes. This is the 4th video for the week, Making Words. This multimedia presentation was produced by Charles Copeland, Walden University student number A00518354, as partial completion for the course EDUC 8347, Designing Instruction for E-Learning, taught by Dr. Darcy Harland. First of all, let's look at the English spelling and how it can affect pronunciation. English uses just 26 letters to create the 44 sounds in English. Because of this discrepancy, we need to spend a long time memorizing the way words are spelled, since not all the spellings make sense. Some words have different spellings, but are pronounced the same way. For example, right, and right. Some of the letters disappear when you say the word, like the W, G, E, and H. This can make it very confusing to know how to pronounce a word. However, when you employ the IPA spelling, it becomes much clearer to pronounce a word. If you see the IPA symbol, you have to pronounce it because each IPA symbol is a sound. There are no silent letters or letters making unusual sounds. The IPA makes it easier to pronounce words. Bread, right, spelling. You only see the sounds that are there. The A in bread is not in IPA. The breaks between the syllables are also easily visible, like in spelling. Here is another example of how the IPA can be useful. Produce or produce. The same spelling, but the pronunciation changes the parts of speech. One is a verb and the other is a noun. They are pronounced differently. The verb form has the stress on the second half of the word, leaving the pronunciation of produce. The noun has the stress on the first syllable, which changes the vowel that is used from schwa to o, changing the sound of the word to produce. There are 5 resources in the resource section that can help you learn to use the IPA. This slide will look at the 2 dictionaries which are linked to the website. They are the Cambridge and Merriam-Webster online dictionaries. There are many more, so if you have a better one you like better, please use it. Let's look at the word produce and produce again. Look at the Cambridge Online Dictionary. First, you will see the word spelled using the English alphabet. Under this, between their slashes, is IPA spelling of the word. Occasionally, like in this case, there is a difference between American and British pronunciations. Finally, the online dictionaries have a sound file where you can listen to how the word should be said. These can be found in the resources. Also, if you download this PowerPoint, you can click the link for Cambridge or Merriam-Webster and they will take you to that website. There are some other resources that can give you practice writing, reading, and even listening to the IPA. The Cambridge website has many games which can be played to help you learn the IPA. It's called Phonetics Focus. The Oxford site has the phonemes and a quiz function that can help you feel more comfortable using the IPA. The third resource is a Speak English pronunciation. There is a short screen capture video about how to use this resource in the resources section. These will be useful for this week's project. A quick review of this multimedia presentation. The English alphabet letters don't always match the sounds. There are many silent letters using the English alphabet letters. Some different spellings sound the same. Sometimes the same spelling is pronounced differently. Using IPA, if you hear it, it is written. There are resources in this course that can help you move through this class. They are found in the resources section of this course. This concludes the 4th Multimedia Study Guide created for English Pronunciation Clinic. You can download the PowerPoint and the transcript for the study guide. Please go on to Quiz 1, Checking the Phonemes. All images in this PowerPoint were found using the Insert Online Picture function with the Creative Commons Image Search option, which is a feature of Microsoft PowerPoint 2013. Phoneme information is from Teaching Pronunciation, a reference for teachers of English to speakers of other languages by Celsi Murcia et al., 1996. Thank you.